We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this large street party held annually as part of Carnival in many Caribbean islands. What is the meaning of this word and how do you pronounce it? Well, this is a word from French Creole, a contraction from French of jour ouvert, meaning open day, meaning daybreak. A break for a day. How do you pronounce this? It is normally pronounced as duvet, duvet. Pretty straightforward once you know duvet. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.